thinking about my problems, feeling down. No, you don't even know.
What's up, people? Welcome back to another vlog, and you can see we are starting this vlog on a very different place because we are on our way to the airport. Why? I guess you have to watch and find out. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure that you click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you get the amazing videos that are gonna be here for next 4 days. Why? I guess keep watching this vlog. So see you at the airport. Okay guys, we are making a pit stop at Health Pets Market here. We have to pick a little treats for Marvel, and the people who are we pick up from the airport, they are gonna land around 4. So according to the maps, we'll arrive at 4. So I think we are on the schedule, so let's see. Keep watching to meet these people.
I got a big bag.
Nice.
When we out and I see him texting you, damn, I feel like a fool, but I know it ain't fair cause I don't belong to you. No, girl, but no, you would never mind to lose. Can't believe I didn't think it through. Damn it, I should've known. Gotta stop playing with you. I'm catching feelings like you gotta be. What you do to me, can't believe I'm catching.
Oh my god! Oh my god, I miss you guys.
I know. Seems like forever.
Yep.
So much luggage.
Oh my god.
So much luggage?
Oh my god.
Look who's here!
So much.
Oh my god, they're finally here. You guys have no idea. This was a surprise that we were telling you about, and this is what we have been waiting for so long. Yay! Now let's go home.
Okay guys, we are here to pick Tanya's birthday cake.
Midnight delight, huh?
Yeah, Midnight Delight. Yep.
Chocolate chipper.
Midnight delight. Like extreme chocolate.
These are all ice cream cakes. We are at one of our favorite places, which is? What place are you in right now?
Coulson! Like my favorite place in the...
And these guys are here! Oh! Easy. Yeah.
No jumping, okay, Marvel? Easy! Yes! I know, baby. Go.
He's... Oh my god!
I know. You don't believe me. Yeah.
Where are you? No, he's more excited. Okay guys, so we were so hungry after we come back. You saw how Marvel had a little meet and greet with them, and we were so hungry that I totally forgot to show you guys because we were just making some snacks. So we have like a puff pastry, savory style with potatoes and onions, and then we just had dinner, which was mutton curry, and I'll post a picture somewhere here of mutton curry. And now we are just talking at home, so everyone is there.
And your birthday?
And we are talking to Dad at home actually.
Like when I wake up in the morning, he'll be there 24.
Good morning, and everybody is up and ready, and the time is probably 9:46. Marvel is ready for a walk, and these guys came from such a cold weather that they want to feel some sun on their skin, so they are coming for a walk. So we are probably walking 4 people today. So we are gonna go for a walk, and I'm gonna end this vlog right now because today's vlog is gonna be super cool, because as the midnight struck, it's Tanya's birthday tonight. So stay tuned for all the fun that's about to come, and I am gonna meet you in our next vlog. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe, give us a like, share, and until then, bye bye.